So, good morning guys. Ayan yung ginawa ko kagabi. Ako'y nagpulaw guys, nagpuyat. Gumawa ng meatloaf. Kaya, umaga na, ito'y iprito ko. Kainin namin in the morning. And, kinain na ni Steve kagabi. Siguro sandwich. Hatid gabi. And then, ito pa yung ginawa ko. Oatmeal cookie. Ay, naamoy ko na yung pinya guys. Ayan, binili ko sa Walmart sa Baker City, yung border ng Idaho at saka ng Washington. Ayan, binili ko doon. Hihiwain ko siguro mamaya. Ang bango-bango na eh. Ito pala, yung pumunta akong linggo kahapon, binili ko. Gusto yan, favorite lang sa Cheesecake Factory. Na ano yun eh. Ang tawag dyan, mini baguettes. Ayan. Ihiwain mo, i-toast-toast, lagyan ng butter. Masarap siguro. Ayan guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and we are off to the store to get the door for our garage. Door handle, I mean. There's door people working in a garage door. And yeah, it's sunny outside. It's time to work in the yard. It is sunny but frosty.
So don't forget to lock this. Lock.
It's frosty, sunny. It's locked. Ayan si Kuya. Here, you want me to open it?
Mommy just opened it.
Ayan.
Mom, can I?
Say wow.
Help me.
Ayan, the same people who work with our storm doors. And nakalimutan nila dati yung kanilang ito, battery ng drill. Kaya ibigay natin sa kay Kuya. Pero si Steve naman bigay. Okay.
That's
Oh, he
540.
can't get no part. Is he going to be done today?
Yes,
Really?
yes.
Cool. That's so cool then. One day job, 11.50. Wow. Just to put up this door.
They left this in the back porch.
Oh, okay, cool. Man. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, he's going to do the
Insulation.
insulation too.
And drywall.
Okay, so we are going to work in the yard when we get back.
Yep.
Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Home Depot. Steve is grabbing a door handle or padlock, whatever that is. And we park it here. They honor veterans at Home Depot. What he did,
Can you go through here?
he framed that up.
Can you go through here? Wait, can
Oh,
you
I
push
see what
that
you
a
did.
little bit,
Yeah.
Mom? Can you push that?
Ayan. Let's see. Go away from here first. They want popsicle. These people. Naku, naglaro sa putek yung mga buang. See? Putek. Ayan na. Kuya, hindi pa nakabalik eh. Uyaya. Ayan. Ginagawa ni Steve. Oh. Ina-spread niya dito yung mga dirt. Ayan. Oh. Itampok dyan. Sa ilalim yun. Ako yung mag-i-smoke. I-rake ko ba? Stay away. Tapos ayan, we step. I must get away from it. I don't know where they are. Ayan. Tapos i-spread ko din. Sayang yung pinag-ano niya na hydrosil. Ayan guys, oh, kita nyo yan yung ano cup. aswang from the ground to the fence. We are trying to fill that gap up because I want my garden raised bed in here along this ride too, in front of the fence. Ayan lang for the meantime. Probably at the back. Kakarating lang ni Manong, siguro nag-lunch. Ayan lang. Tapos guys, ito yung pangalan ng ng dating owner, Joe. Namumulot kami ng bato doon, no? Ang daming bato-bato.
I know where to
Put
put
it right there by the garden.
That's what I said.
Okay. And then, ayan guys, ang lalaking bato. Nilagay dyan guys, o papuputan-pukan para filler siya, filler. Ayan, para hindi magastos sa dirt, para yung dirt magamit. Para magamit natin sa sa ating garden. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung gawa ni Kuya guys. Ayan na oh. Magkakador na dito, magiging insulate na siya at hindi na masyado malamig. Ayan. So he's not done. He's gonna come back tomorrow to finish this up. Ayan. Tapos we will leave the aesthetic door outside. Yung sliding door. Oh. I don't know how to do this, honey. Did I break it?